Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to configure local backups in WHM cPanel. Log in to WHM with root access. Type backup in the find box. Then click on Backup Configuration. Change backup status by checking the Enable Backups box. Go to Scheduling and Retention. The system will allow you to choose the time intervals to run backups. You will have the option to run backups on daily, weekly, or monthly periods. Daily backup. The system will run backup process as per the weekly days you choose. Select the days to run backups. Enter the number of daily backup files to store on the system in the retention field. Weekly backup. Your system creates a new backup once each week on the day that you select. If you select this setting, you must perform these actions. Select a day to run backups in the week. Enter the number of weekly backup files to store on the system in the retention field. Monthly backup. Your system creates a new backup either once or twice per month on the 1st or 15th day of each month. If you select this setting, you must perform these actions. Select the days of the month to run the backup process. Enter the number of monthly backup files to store on the system in the retention field. Select the Strictly Enforce Retention option, and the system will remove all backups over the mentioned number set in the retention field. Here, we have checked the daily backup box. Also, check all days. Check the backup user accounts to enable data backup for users. For the databases section, check the per account and entire MySQL directory option. Change backup destination to /backup in default backup directory and backup staging directory fields respectively. Click on Save Configuration. You will get a success message. That's how you can configure local backups in WHM cPanel. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.